Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Corey. Hey, tonight is hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. And that's for anybody that has survived cancer, who has perished from cancer, and so forth. So tonight, we're going to do a dish for my mom. She is a breast cancer survivor. And her favorite, I called her to ask her what she wanted, fried eggplant. So, tonight we are doing fried eggplant. Hey, you know I can't fry nothing without Jen. So I got Jen here to do my frying for me. Hey, I'll plate that sucker up for you afterwards. We'll get to the ingredients next. Don't forget, hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. Watch them all. Click the hashtag.
Alright, let's take a look at our ingredients. Of course, we've got the eggplant, some basil, some marinara sauce, some Parmesan cheese. And this is our breading station here. We've got flour, egg beaten with a little bit of water, and some seasoned breadcrumbs. That's our ingredients, so we're gonna mix them up next.
Alright, we gotta cut the eggplant. It's out of our garden, so it's gonna be delicious. 1/4-inch slices. That is what Jen prefers, and that's what she shall receive. Alright, let's batter it.
Alright, we're gonna bread our eggplant. So we're gonna take one of our eggplant slices and coat it with some flour. And coat it with some egg. And then coat it with some breadcrumbs. Alright, there you go, one breaded slice of eggplant, and I'm gonna do the rest of these and I'll be right back. Okay, now we're ready to fry up our eggplant. We've got our nice hot oil here, and we'll drop our eggplant slices in here. Probably can fit all 6 slices right here in one basket. Alright, we're going to let those keep frying up for a few minutes so they're nice and golden brown. Then we're going to serve it up.
Alright, I just wanted to show you another quick chiffonade of basil. Would you lean in? Don't worry, I ain't going to try to smoke this one. Look, Chop-O-Matic in real time. Alright, let's plate this bad boy now. Alright, it is time to plate our delicious fried eggplant. But Mom, you know, I can't just leave it at just fried eggplant. I gotta do a little better than that. So, let's put down a little bit of marinara there. And let's get our delicious eggplant here. Just make a nice, delicious row of our eggplant. Give a little bit of a curl into it, and then we will give it another layer of our delicious marinara over the top. Like so. And our basil. We'll give it a little bit of that. And not to be cheated, we gotta add some Parmesan to this. Alright guys, we'll top it off with a basil sprig and a couple more swoops of our delicious marinara. Alright guys, hey, Cooking Against Cancer. Hashtag Cooking Against Cancer. Go check all the videos out. It'll be in the hashtag. We'll see you next week.